In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a successful email in MailChimp. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along without getting overwhelmed. If you're using MailChimp to build your audience and send better email campaigns, one of the first things you need is a clean, properly imported contact list. That way, when you're ready to create and send an email, your audience is already in place and organized. To get started, open your MailChimp account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main menu. MailChimp has a lot of tools, but for this process, we're focusing on your contacts because that's where every successful email campaign begins. From the main navigation, click on Audience. This section is where MailChimp stores and manages the people you want to email. Think of it as the foundation of your campaign. If your audience is set up correctly, everything else becomes much easier later on. After that, click on All Contacts. This will open the full list of contacts currently associated with your audience. If you're starting fresh, this area may be empty, and that's completely fine. If you already have contacts, you'll be able to add more from here. Next, choose the option to import from another service. This is especially helpful if your contacts are currently stored somewhere else or if you've exported them from another platform. MailChimp is designed to guide you through this transition, so you don't need to worry if you're not very technical. Once you select that option, click Upload File and locate the file you want to import from your device. Make sure you choose the correct file, and it's a good idea to quickly double-check that your contact information is clean and up to date before uploading. This can help avoid errors and make the import process smoother. After the file is uploaded, simply follow the prompts on your screen. MailChimp will walk you through the remaining setup, which may include reviewing your data, matching fields like email address or first name, and confirming the import. Take your time here, because accuracy matters. A well-organized audience helps you create more effective and professional email campaigns. Once everything is complete, your contacts will be added to MailChimp, and you'll be in a much stronger position to create a successful email. With your audience imported correctly, you're ready for the next stage of building and sending campaigns with confidence.